Chief.
Push it up, push it up, push it up, push it up. My only shine.
Yeah.
My original shine. My authentic shine.
You
shine, my lady.
You know how to flatter me. So I'll push it for you.
Push it up. You are always remaining young.
Thank you.
And always beautiful. Always charming.
Thank you, Chief.
And always somnambulica. and all what? Shine. Hey,
you know how to flatter me, Chief. You know how to flatter me. You want me to push it up for you?
Push it up.
Chief, there's something I want to remind you.
Yes, remind me.
You promised you're going to give me something.
Oh, yes, I promised. And promise is promise. I will fulfill it this morning. In fact, now.
Oh, really? Chief.
Yes, that is me. Me and only Chief.
Oh, that's my Chief.
Yeah.
That's my Chief. That's my Chief. I'll give it to you.
My shine.
Oh, Chief. Hi. I love you.
Oh, shine.
Chief, what's your daughter coming? Papa God will punish you today.
Don't mind that girl.
Good afternoon. Auntie, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Where are you coming from?
From the market.
Market. Did you see anything?
No, I did not see anything. Good. Auntie, did I see anything?
Come, go, you stupid girl. Go home now.
I should get out.
Yes, go.
Okay. Auntie, did I say anything?
All right.
All right. After school, I'll come and see you. Okay. But I don't say anything, no. Bye, Chief.
Chief, you too like it push up. You too like it push up. Chief, you too like it push up. Yo. Oh, go.
Mama! Mama! Hey! That was fast. Wait, let me keep this. Welcome. You came back fast, too. You bought... Mama, if we fend for water, what did you see? If you see what I saw, Hi! I hope I'm not fall. What did you see? Hey, wait, let me bring this up. Mama, have to go to chair. Leave the chair. No, what did you see? Mama, I saw Papa. Doing what? Giving a woman money. As I was coming back. Woman money? Your father? Yes. Which woman? Do you know that our primary school teacher that used to rub plenty shine? That's your school teacher they call Auntie Shine? Yes. He gave her money? Plenty money, oh. Hey. Nah, as in big money. Ego. Plenty money. Mama. Hey, no. This one is wickedness now. Eh? Can you imagine? I'm suspecting Papa. What's going on? Hey. And Papa will be shouting that there's no money in this house. Do you know how much your father gave me today to prepare soup? 200 naira. Hey! Only 200 naira too. That's why I'm in the kitchen. Struggling to see how I can make him soup with it. Ma, if you see the money Papa was giving to Auntie Shine. Rainbow face, that woman now. Rainbow face. That rainbow auntie. No problem, my daughter. Let him just go and come back and meet me. Let him go and come back. I'm waiting for him. He wants me to make soup with 200 naira. Let him go and come back. I'm waiting for him. What kind of level of wickedness is this now? And you know what? Papa was asking me, did I see anything? Mba, how can you see? Do you have eyes? No, I didn't say anything. I did not see anything. I was not asking the Auntie Shasha, did you see me see anything? Of course. You did well, my daughter.
She did not answer me, because she know that he saw something now.
No problem. I'm waiting for him. Can you imagine? Eh? Where is this man this weekend? Hi! Hey! No problem, Jekinata, I'm waiting for you. Hi! I'm waiting for you now. Oh, he was asking you whether you saw anything. Hi! Hey, Papa. Hey, no.
Your life is too bad. Your life is too strange. Everything you did turn am up and...
Yeah, what is this? Is this what you can prepare? Is this soup?
It's soup now for your food. It's what I can prepare with the 200 naira you gave me. I went to market to buy foodstuffs. All I could buy is 15 naira oil, 15 naira ogo, and that's a little legusi, 15 naira. I used the remaining 15 naira to buy the apple there. But it is now, there's no problem. Don't need to shout. After all, it's people outside, like that woman that you call Shaisha, that you give all your money to. When you come back here, with your family members, you don't see your money. You give me 200 naira to prepare your soup.
Is this all you could prepare with the money I gave you?
We can prepare.
Is that so?
Yes.
Is that so?
Wait now, let me use hot water now. You know that this thing is very hot.
Your life is too strange.
So all your pain.
Everything you did turn am up and down.
What have I done to your father? What have I done to your father now? What have I done to him that he should beat me like this? Eh? What else have I done to him?
You know how wicked that man is. He's very, very wicked by nature. Don't worry. So.
Everything you dey turn am upside down. Your life is too bad. Your life is too strange. Everything you dey turn am up and down.
Even with his
your life is too strange. Your
life
is too bad. Everything you dey turn am upside down.
Just rub it that this water is
Chief,
falling my head.
you get a bad belly.
Did you sleep together last night? Huh?
Nah, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. And you, Chiso? Can't you greet?
I cannot greet. Eh? After doing this to my mother, you expect me to greet you for what?
Look. I will teach you a lesson. I will start with you where your mother stopped last night.
Nah, leave my daughter alone. Leave my daughter alone, for goodness sake. What has she done to you? Leave her alone.
Leave my daughter alone. You keep quiet before I inflict more injury on you.
Come on, inflict more injury on you.
See, Papa, this thing you're doing, I don't like it.
I said you should shut up. Shut up. Come.
Papa, you want to climb this thing?
Come near. I will climb
Hey,
it. Come near. Why do you go far? Come near. Come near.
Papa, don't try me this morning. Don't try me.
Papa, you are old. Look at what you're doing. You don't have disgrace of the house.
Stay there. Come near.
This is a disgrace of a father.
Evil man.
Stop. You keep quiet.
Please leave us alone. Leave us alone. Come and beat me again. Come and use a walking stick on me again. Come and beat me again. Shameless man. Nonsense.
Your life is too bad.
Follow Tino. I didn't do anything to him.
Everything.
Why would you do me like this now?
I know it's because of that rainbow. No problem, I know what to do to her. It's because of rainbow.
Everything you turn them upside down.
You will not have this kind of husband in your life.
Amen.
You
said I will remain unmarried.
No, you get married, my daughter. You will be married, oh?
Okay. Let me wait for you here now.
Wait now. How is your mother?
She's fine, oh. You know that she's not feeling too well because of the beating that my father gave to her.
What kind of a man, will pour a plate of soup on the wife's face?
Is it not because of that Auntie Rainbow that used to put plenty color on her face? Because of her now that my father beat my mother.
No sane man will beat up his wife like that. What did your mother do?
My mother did not do anything to him. Oh. I saw my father giving that Auntie Shine that used to rub plenty rainbow on her face money. So I went to the house and I told my mother that my father was giving one woman plenty money. And my mother went to confront him, and that's why my father now beat her. I don't even know if he's my father. That man is very wicked.
That is too bad, because of a woman. Now, wow. Oh, yeah, now. How is your mother safe? Oh?
No, she's very, very sick. I want to go to the chemist so that I can get drugs for her.
Okay, now. Say well to her, oh? I'll come and see her later. Oh, let me go in.
She dey shine our village, yo. She dey shining everywhere. Our village na punakuno. Our village na punakuno.
Mama, I'm sorry.
I hope I did not stay long. How are you?
I'm fine, my dear. Hey, this song.
It's okay, it's okay. I just said I should bring this one. I did not bring your drugs. What I'll do now is I'll just go back to the chemist and bring your drugs for you.
It's okay.
Or should I go and give you food first or before I bring the drugs?
Let me eat first, then later you go for the drugs. Give me a eat now, you rest, my daughter. You have to be going about under this sun.
Where is that man, sir?
Your father.
No, my father in it. That man is very wicked. I don't like what he's doing. I hate him.
Don't be a grudge, it's okay. It's okay, my dear. You know, go. It's okay. You go and get my food, let me eat. Then later in the evening, you can go and get my drug. You know, go.
If I didn't push up, Nigeria, yo. Chief, you like a push up. You like a push up. Chief, you like a push up, yo. Oh, go. Chief, we put a go in. Buru ya panya no madan shine. Okay, do.
Who's that? Who's that? Show your face.
It's me, Ojugo.
When did you pass that I did not notice you?
I want to ease myself now.
That is not answering my question.
Now I passed just a few minutes ago. And I saw you fast asleep. I didn't want to wake you up. But won't you come inside?
No, go. Go inside. I will come when I want to.
Chief, you like a push up. You like a push up. Chief, you like a push up.
Leave.
Go.
Mama, oh, big up down. I don't know where I went.
That is your hair.
I'm on the channel.
Ma?
I didn't know you were almost set for me. Oh, Mom, thank you very much. Make sure you bring the other yams I showed you in those ones I showed you at the farm. Bring them to the market. And fast though, so that I can sell them.
Ma, please sell everything before you come back.
Trust your mother now.
Chief, you like a push up. You like a push up. Chief, you like a push up.
Welcome. Papa, I'm off to the market.
And your mother?
She has gone to the market. And your food is inside. I'm running late. Bye-bye.
Sunshine, okay, do. Imana kuna piazi ndibe chifu kombo.
Will you follow me to the market? If you follow me now, I'll give you more.
Like a banana.
Go.
Do you know that GCE and YF form are now on sale? And you know now we need to get it Eh? You know our last result was not that good. So what do you think?
He will not understand. No. If I tell my father, he will not give me money. My father, 1 kobo I will not get from him.
You ask your mother now.
You know my mother is trying. She's the only one taking care of us. I don't know. Well, I'll talk to her about it, Sha. Let me see what will happen.
Yeah. Eh? How about your father?
Hey! Don't even go there. My father. Ha! Before that man will even bring money for food in the house, we'll sweat. And even when he tries to bring at all, he will bring money that is not even up to half pot of soup.
I pity your mother. Eh? But you know now we need this result. Badly.
I know it's our future. And we have to really work on it. I'll talk to my mother. Let me see what she's going to say. If she has money, she'll give me. But if she does not have money, we'll just manage like that now.
Yeah, I know. Are you going?
I'm staying. I want to go and cook food for my mother.
Let me walk you down.
No, because I said I want to go and cook food for my mother. Now you want to follow me.
Let's go now.
No, stay. Go stay on your own. Don't follow me.
I'm not going to your house.
I sold off everything. None of us get in there.
You see, it's because of my face, so I told you.
You said it to Mom.
Mama, next time when you're going to market, don't allow Papa to see you first. So if not, he'll give you bad luck. Is
it not your father? Eh? Go and get me water and food. Let me.
He'll give you bad luck.
Don't worry, I will see only your face.
If I didn't push up in Nigeria, Chief to like it push up. It too like it push up. Chief to like it push up. Go.
Should I bring your food here or should I leave it inside?
I'm not hungry.
Go to Ozzy. You have not eaten my food since yesterday. Even the breakfast I prepared for you in the morning, you did not touch it. And now you're telling me that you don't want to eat. Can you one come?
I am not hungry.
No. Are you avoiding my food or what? Tell me, let me know which one I'm doing now.
Look, I said I'm not eating.
What is it now?
Who told you I want to eat? Did I give you money for food?
I am sorry. If there's anything I've done to make you angry as not to eat my food, I'm sorry. Biko.
If you don't get out from here now, I will do something to you. Kita or Kwari Maya.
I'm sorry. Biko.
Or Kwari Maya.
Chief to like it push up. It too like it push up. Chief to like it push up. Go.
I was actually coming to your place.
I hope there's no problem.
No problems at all. It's just that I went to the market to supply my goods. But I didn't see your friend Chisom today. And I became worried. Is everything okay with her?
Yeah, she's supposed to be fine. And this is unusual of her. She didn't tell me she won't be going to the market. And today is market day.
Yes, that's my worry. But it's okay. Ini, can you please talk to your friend concerning what I told you? Honestly, I am very, very serious about it. She's the only thing on my mind as I sleep and wake up every day. And like a virus, she has infected me. I don't know. See, I really don't know how to make you understand this. I truly love your friend.
Emeka, like I said before, I've discussed with her. But you know this is a marriage thing. So I believe you should give her some time to think about it. I know you really love her. So
it's okay, I understand. But do you think she would be home now?
I wouldn't know.
Okay, I think let me go to the house and see if she'll be there.
Okay, no problem. Okay, now bye-bye.
Take care of yourself, right?
Okay, now thank you.
Bye-bye.
Why don't you want to give this guy a chance, Emeka? Eh? It's obvious the guy likes you. Eh? You've known him for a while now, so...
I know he likes me and I like him too. But the problem is he's not from this village and I know he really wants something very, very serious for us, but... Well, I don't know.
Chisom, that is more reason you should give him a chance. So that you get to know him better. Eh? You saw him this morning?
Yes, I saw him off back to the market.
And he's cute, isn't he?
Cute? He's not that cute though. That thing that he's very fat. It's just that he's a very nice man.
That's more reason. My girlfriend.
Come, I'm beginning to suspect you. It's like you want to do him, Abi.
Why would you talk like that?
You want to do him, you cannot do what? Are you a virgin? With this plenty breast that is on your chest, you want to do him.
You know I have a serious date that is far better than him.
Who is that? That one that his mouth is bending one side. Seriously, that this boy is like he's not ugly and one, but Mama,
Just someone.
Ma, there's something I want to tell you.
What?
Ma, there's somebody that wants to marry me.
Chisom,
Mama,
you kept something like this away from me?
it's not like that. I just want to be sure first before I'll tell you.
Hey, I'm happy. Do I know him?
Emeka now, you know him very well.
Emeka?
That used to supply something in the market.
Oh, Emeka? Hey, but I thought he's your friend now.
Yes, he's my friend, but he said he wants to marry me now.
Ezioku. Hey. I'm happy. I'm happy about this. But, Chisom, do you know the family very well?
Not really, but I want to go and find out about the family before I will accept.
It's good. Hey, I'm so happy about this news. Your mother loves this kind of news. At least let me be happy now. Eh? Hey, you're not one.
Papa, are you going now?
Are we going anywhere together?
Papa, I just want to say something to you.
Look, I'm going out now. Huh? Okay, go ahead. What is it?
Papa.
Talk now. Talk. I'm going out.
Papa, a man is asking for my hand in marriage and it's from a neighboring village. I just wanted to ask you first before I'll go ahead and ask them to come over.
What does he do?
He supplies goods at the market.
Are you part of the goods?
Goods, what? Can we see goods? Papa, let me invite them.
Why are you in such a hurry? Huh? Look, wait. When I come back, you can talk to him.
Okay, Papa. Nah, go drink it, Pani. No, he's calling me a good. Going back where he's going, he go like
push up. You too like it push up. If you too like it push up, yo. Oh, go.
Eat my money. You are my shine. Chop my money. It is my money. I make money for you. For you are my shine. So eat and enjoy.
I love you. You're so caring. You're a darling. You're a darling.
Libe.
If any.
Do you want more? Do you want more? Bear one here. One here. Woman, come. Bring here one more bushmeat. One plate of bushmeat.
Chief, no, I'm okay. There's no parking space. No parking space.
Chief Usirim has plenty parking space. Plus garage. Plus big garage. Plenty. Bring more meat. Bring more meat. Okay. More. One plate more.
I'm okay.
It is for takeaway.
So should I bring it as a takeaway?
Yes. Bring takeaway. Okay. After that, I will give you full dose of it. Full dose.
Ademba.
Full dose.
I'm ready, man.
Are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Are you ready?
Ever ready.
Really ready?
Shine is ready for you.
My shine cable. No. Push up for me. Push up.
I'll give it to you.
Push up.
If you keep doing this, I will keep pushing up for you.
Oh, yeah.
I'll be loyal to you. I'll be loyal to you. I'll be loyal. My chief. I love you, chief. I love you.
I was in the dancing with.
I love you so much. You really did it so well.
Really?
Get that talker. You're so sweet.
Thank you.
Shine.
So, Chief, when are we having it at your place?
We will talk about it next time. Yes. I want to see somebody. Push up for me. Shine.
Okay then. Shine.
Shine.
My chief, good morning.
There's nothing good about this morning at all.
What is it? Sit down.
I won't sit down. Everything is wrong.
Calm down and tell me what the problem is.
What is this rumor going about? You are messing around with small boys in this village. Yes.
How can you say that, Chief? Where did you hear this rumor from? From radio or television? Don't tell me you're beginning to listen to gossip in this village. Don't tell me that.
You have not answered my question.
Answer which question? Please don't put words into my mouth.
Are you going about with small boys or with men in this village?
Chief, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. As you can see, I'm watching when you walked in here. I don't like this. Ogenede, I don't like this. Just go and listen to those rumors. Go and listen to them.
I should go. All right. We will see.
Atolomia. What kind of rumor is all this? You know, Igezi Asili. You my friend Nelly.
She dey shine our village, yo. She dey shine.
Before you start eating anything anybody gives you, or even from home, you must pray. You must close your eyes and pray over this food.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Lord, bless this food in Jesus' name.
Amen. Now it is not running away.
Mama, you are trouble.
You know, I've started storing my yam.
Now this food is very sweet, though.
Pachamaya will tell no fact so that you like it very well.
Papa, you're welcome. Why will he not answer me now? Did I say anything wrong?
How would he answer you? Otogesi, is it not obvious? He has eaten to his full. Huh?
You should not come and eat. The food that is in the pot is the one we are going to eat in the night. I'm sure he's full with plenty shine. That was Auntie Rainbow that used to push up for him.
Did he even give us money for food? So why are you bothering yourself? Leave him now.
Have you noticed anything? Anytime Papa comes to the house, you have either sunshine on his cheek, or his forehead, or on the neck. Nonsense. Let him not come. The food is not enough. You have to eat that remaining one tonight.
This woman don't come again me to Meru Maru.
Chief Nsirim, thank you once again for welcoming us into your house. Before I go on, let me introduce myself and my fellow elders. And Emeka with us, my son. I am Chief Ofubo from Umechem, just 2 villages from here. These are Odum, Chief Odum, my kinsman, and Mazu Lebara, my kinsman. Emeka confided in us that he saw one sweet, succulent apple in your compound that delights him. And so we accompany him to you to ask for your permission to pluck this apple for him. And that's why we are here.
That is true, Chief. I and your daughter have known ourselves for quite some time now. Chief, I must confess at this point that you have a very, very wonderful daughter. This goes to demonstrate the fact that you have inculcated good morals into her.
Yes.
To the extent that she can only make a good wife. Without mincing words, Chief, I have come to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage. Yes, Chief.
Okay. Chisom. Bia. Kedia. I guess you know our visitors here.
Yes, Papa.
What is your name again?
Emeka, sir.
Emeka.
Yes,
sir. Emeka. It's all right. And what is the name of these 3 old fools?
Chief,
Papa.
is it they are my fathers.
Papa.
Okay. Before I go in there and come out, I want all of you to get out of this place with everything you came with. Off! Let me go.
Chief, have we done anything wrong to offend you? Emeka, what is happening here?
I don't know, Papa. Chisom, I thought your father is aware that we're coming.
Are you still here? All right, I'm coming.
Papa. My fathers, please, I'm sorry.
I thought your father is aware that we're coming here today.
Yes, I think someone got him angry. Please come some other time, please, I beg
I'm
you.
coming.
Yeah, come back.
Chief, are you with an AK?
If you husband, come for your daughter. If you robber to your way no dey pure. Your way no dey pure.
Carry your drink.
I got
You can pull Nagano. Na chome to nakago.
Your way no dey pure.
What kind of man are you? I am asking you, Isiri. What kind of man are you? So you have made up your mind that no good thing will come into this house for us. That your family will not see any good thing. Yeah? Have you not done enough already to us? Yeah? Have you? Why are you this wicked, sir?
Mind your language, Joe. Mind your language, Joe. Or shut up your mouth. I will not shut up my mouth. I will not close this mouth again. What
What is it? Eh? This is the second suitor you are rejecting for Jesus. For no reason, oh, not just cause. In one reason. In one reason. Of course, no, you don't have any reason except your wickedness. You don't have any reason. You have denied her education. As if that is not enough for you. You don't want her to get married. Maybe now you want to marry her. You don't know why.
Are you mad? I say, are you mad? Look, don't question me again. I know what is good for my daughter. Do you hear me? I know what is good for my daughter.
By denying her education and now allowing her to get married. Ifria, you are very wicked. Yo, if you let me boy, wicked man.
Let man jinaka. If you can't man jinaka, you have to have kita.
I don't know why my father has decided to make my life miserable. What did I do to him? Are you sure that man is my father?
Jason, it's okay. Stop crying. Oh, this is not the end of the world for you. Eh? It's okay. Try and control yourself. I know how you feel.
He's evil. What kind of a man is he? Eh? Somebody came to marry your own daughter. Instead of you to be happy, you chased them away just like that.
Jason, you don't have to question God. Please. Eh? I know you are hot. I'm hot too. Remember, you're my best friend. Eh? Please. Or do you want me to join you crying?
I don't think that man is coming back. Oh.
Jason, do you want to fall sick? Eh? Stop crying. We'll figure out what to do. It's okay now. You've been crying since morning.
Oh, Jason,
Mama, good evening.
How are you?
Fine, ma.
Jason, where have you been since morning?
Mama, Jason has been crying since morning. So I have to bring her back to make sure that she's okay. I don't know why she thinks the world has come to an end for her.
You did well, my daughter. Thank you. Don't worry, it will be alright. Jason, Nemo, do you want to kill me? Do you want to kill your mother?
Mama, that is exactly what I asked her. Eh?
It's okay. Come. Don't worry, all hope is not lost. Hmm?
I'll be going.
Oh, no. Oh, bye-bye.
Chisom, don't cry again. Oh? I'll come and check.
Don't cry. She won't cry again. You have me. Don't mind your father.
If you too like it, push up. You too like it, push up. If you too like it, push up. Yo. Oh, go, go, go.
Chief, sir.
Mazi,
How are you?
Fine. How's your family?
Oh, we are good. We are fine.
You are not in the just concluded meeting at Igbo's palace.
Me? Meeting?
See, the government, they want to build 2 ultra-modern health centers in our community very soon.
Can anything good come out of Nazareth? Huh?
I don't get it. How do you mean by can anything good come out of Nazareth?
Look, let's not deceive ourselves. The Igwe and his cabinet, they have failed.
Chief.
Yes. Is there anything hidden under the skirt?
Mind the way you talk. Oh.
The Igwe can never stop politicking with the affairs of the community.
Chief, have you forgotten you're a red cap chief?
Yes.
Why are you talking like this?
And so what? I can talk.
Chief, I can't understand you again.
Yes, I can talk. Nah, let me go where I'm going, eh? Okay.
If you too like it, push up. Too like it, push up. If you too like it, push up. Yo. Oh, go, go, go.
In fact, I don't actually know what is happening in this community. I don't know whether Chief Islam is still part of us, because I don't normally see him in any meeting we attend.
What do you want me to say, my brother? Well, my friend, it is obvious that he has isolated himself from us. But one thing is clear,
I keep asking myself this question. Can one man be stronger than his community? Chief Nserem chose to be an island because the Igwe and us, his cabinet members, refused to join him in his evil deeds. Therefore, he decided to boycott every meeting. Huh? A red cap chief like him, trying to isolate himself in a meeting that will bring a high head of development in this community. All I know is that that's his own business. Can he be stronger than his against men?
No, thank God, we know what to do.
Just tell you go to.
That's not. I will do it.
Unomu. Unomamu.
My husband, you're welcome.
Ah, my wife. Oh, thank you, my wife. How was it?
Fine.
Hi.
So, how did the meeting go?
Wonderful. It went well, my wife. This time around, government will build health center for us.
Eh?
Yes. In this community. Not just ordinary health center. This one will be equipped with modern technology. That's what they call ultra-modern health center or hospital. Yes, hospital.
Hey. Thank God, though. Eh? So you mean at last, poor people can now go to the clinic without spending much money and they'll get proper medical attention?
Free! Free medical treatment.
Hey, what? Free?
No matter the sickness. Government has remembered us. Hey, something good is happening.
Yes.
Hey.
Come now, let's go inside. Come
Chief,
on.
leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Rapumaka. Must we do it here? If we must do it, let's go to your place.
My place?
Yes, your place. After all, I don't even know your place.
But my wife is there now.
Your wife? Did I hear you say your wife? I thought you said I mean everything to you. That your wife doesn't mean anything to you.
Yes, I said that. But look, give me some time, huh? Come, time here. Push it up.
I'm not pushing anything. I'm not. All the time you say, give me some time. I want to be with you. I want to feel you. I want us to be together. Feel this. I want you to feel it.
You're not serious, huh?
I am dead serious. I am serious. Lapum. Chief, you're leaving.
If you want to push up your Madam Shine, Oburuni choro begoru, Madam Shine, Oburuni chori begoru no nenoje, Madam Shine, Madam Shine, Madam Shine, she too sharp, she go give you, Madam Shine, she's a troublesome woman, yoko, Madam Shine, sharp. Madam Shine, Imakwanyi bonyo biama o. Madam Shine, Imakwana wanyi bukwede something numbongo. Madam Shine, Imanona guze ya kamilio.
See your shoulder, mommy, don't show.
Jude.
Good afternoon, Shine.
What are you doing there? I thought I told you to stop smoking.
I'm sorry, Ma.
But I saw you smoking over there.
No, I won't do it again, Ma. I'm sorry, Auntie.
Jude, I have warned you to stay away from those boys.
No, Auntie, I won't do it again. I'm sorry, I've stopped.
Are you sure?
I've stopped, Ma.
You know you are a fine boy. And I like you. When are you coming to my place?
If I'm chanced, Ma.
This is exactly what you said the other time when I invited you. I'm going to take care of you. I promise I'll take care of you.
You want to take care of me? Really?
Yes, I will. I'll take care of you.
I might come, Ma.
Not you might, you will.
I will, Ma.
Is that a promise?
It's a promise.
Okay. You won't regret it. Be good.
Thank you,
Be a good boy, okay?
Thank you,
And
Ma.
don't smoke.
No, Auntie, I'll stop smoking, Ma.
Okay.
What about our village boys?
If a name.
Madam Shine, don't shine up all of them, yo. Our village boys don't turn to pingin' bobo. Most of our boys don't join in Madam Shine. They shine up everywhere.
Oh, Chief. Good morning. Good afternoon. Sorry.
Why did it take you so long to open the door?
Oh, Chief, I was sleeping.
This hot weather.
I'm so tired.
You were tired?
Yes.
Why are you so tensed up?
Tensed up?
And you are sweating?
No, I'm not tensed up. Oh. I'm not tensed up.
Is anything the matter?
No, Onwelo. Onwelo what?
Who is inside?
There's nobody. There's nobody there.
Then why are you standing at the door?
Chief Onwelo Onyenweba. There's nobody there.
Okay, let me see.
Onwelo Onyenweba. Onwelo.
Then let me go inside now.
Chief, there's nobody there. Shan.
Is that not what's his name? Jude? Mazio Conta's son?
Yes.
What is he doing in your house?
He's doing what you're supposed to do. Since you refuse to take me to your house, he is here to do what you're supposed to do.
Hey! They are opposite that this small boy does it better than me?
Onimalo, he rocks me well. Onimalo.
Che! Shine.
That's my name. Take me to your place, Gidu. Take me to your house. You don't want to take me to your house.
Shine. So it was never a rumor.
Who must have done this? Who have I offended? Who must have done this? What is really happening to us, God? What have we done wrong? Why are things getting worse by the day? God, are we meant to suffer for the rest of our lives?
God, please help us in any way, I beg you. Please.
Chisom. Chimsomeje.
Huh? Mama, good morning.
Good morning, Mom.
I wanted to sweep the place before you came out.
Because I'm sweep. Continue sweeping now.
Oh.
I thought you have even finished sweeping since morning you woke up.
No, I want to sweep.
What is wrong with you? I've not been seeing you at my place. I hope there's no problem.
Auntie, to be frank, I'm afraid, I'm afraid, Auntie.
You're scared? Scared of what?
I'm afraid of Chief Inzere. He promised to promise to my parents if I didn't stop coming to your house, Auntie. I'm afraid, though.
Chief did that?
Yes, Auntie.
Don't mind him. He just wants to scare you. Don't mind him. He doesn't want to see you around me, that's all.
Auntie, I don't want problem. I'm scared.
There won't be any problem. I'm going to handle that. I will take care of that. Have you asked him what he's coming to do at my place as well? No, you just don't mind him. He's jealous of you, that's all.
I don't know, Auntie. I don't want problem. I don't want any wahala, Auntie.
Don't be scared. Auntie Shine is telling you you have nothing to be scared of, okay? I will take care of you. You know I like you. Hmm? Guess what?
What, Auntie?
I bought you clothes.
Clothes, Auntie. They even have my size and bought me clothes.
I will told you. Men looking at you, I know your size. Everything you wear, even your boxers, I can tell your size. I know your size.
Auntie Shine.
You want to try Shine? You want to try me?
Auntie Shine.
So when are you going to come to collect it?
Auntie, I will come if I'm chanced, ma.
If you're chanced,
yes,
just make sure you come to my place and pick it up. And I'll give you some money as well, so that you take care of yourself.
Really? Yeah, dear Auntie. Should I come to the house?
Oh, yeah. I want to take care of you. Come and give Auntie Shine a hug. Come on. Hug me well. Come on. Okay, run along. Be a good boy. Afraid of what? Even name.
Madam Shine, Madam Shine, she too sharp, she go give you. Madam Shine, she said,
okay, where is the attachment? Hey, Nkiru, please. Don't tell me that you forgot to bring the attachment. I asked you to bring today.
Hey, Oli, I'm so sorry. I forgot.
Nkiru, why now? Why? But you know I want to make use of it. You promised to bring it today.
Yes, I promised. But you see, I forgot. See, actually, I kept it close to me when I was leaving the house. But now, Oli, okay, I promise you. Today evening, once we return from the stream, I will bring it to your doorstep.
What do you want me to do? Like, I need to make this hair. Look at you.
Why are you sounding as if I did not want to bring it? I said I forgot. Bikono.
Okay, it's okay. That reminds me. What's this rumor? About this Agadiwai baby, Auntie Shine, with your boyfriend Jude.
I don't understand.
Hey! So you mean you've not heard?
What?
That this woman has taken over all the young guys in this village, including your boyfriend Jude.
Koshekwa. I don't want it. I do not want it. Even I like Ekoashiri. You talk too much and you call Ashiri too much.
Nkiru, please. What's bringing this talk? You know we are friends. What's bringing this talk now?
If we're friends, don't gossip with my boyfriend. I don't like it. I'm not going again.
Please come and carry this. Nkiru. Oh yeah, now shout. The most important thing, bring that attachment though. What's wrong with this girl? Come on, carry your gallon, oh. I will not fetch it for you, oh. Don't go down, fight. I didn't send you.
I don't even know what to believe anymore.
touch me, Jude. The main reason why I brought you here is because I do not want to create a scene before your parents.
I don't have anything, Nikki. I've told you nothing. I've told you. Believe me, Nikki.
I don't even know what to believe anymore. Jude, swear to me you have nothing to do with that old cargo.
I have nothing to do with that bet.
Bet what? Don't touch me, you're lying to me.
Nikki, I still love you.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Our village boys don't turn to pinging baba, pinging baba. Ha, Njako. Most of our boys don't join.
Shine. Why should you betray me like this, Shine?
How? Please sit down.
No, I won't sit down. You are asking me how. Why should you allow food that is meant for an elder statesman like me? Instead you allow a small boy to play with.
Who told you he was playing with it? He was hitting it right, very hard, and I like it.
Hey, but this is madness, Shine.
What is madness? Excuse me. My senses are intact. Until you take me to your place, I won't stop.
But this is a small boy, eh? Ninja Kenya.
Don't go there. I like the way he does it. He rides me like a horse and I like it.
Oh, hey, Okansi.
Oh yes, Okansi. If you don't take me to your place, I will continue.
Continue now. Stop.
Yes, I will give it to him and I will push it off.
No. If this one, no, please, it's for me
then
now.
Take me to your place. Else I will keep pushing it up.
Mbamba. Give me some time. Hey, Shine no more.
Take me to your place.
Give me some time.
That's what you keep saying. Give me some time. Just keep wasting time.
Okay. I will take you to my place very soon.
What about our village boys? Madam Shine, don't shine up all of them, yo. Our village boys don't turn to pinging.
Too much. When we dey arrange this one, na see leg. Oh boy. Let me here again from your bank now, you.
Supposed to next time they work now, I suppose to know now about how for you. You know, man myself. Maybe I rob bank overnight now.
I thought that's much. But you do. Make it take time easy, make love no carry you. Wow.
Why you talk like this now? How for you? Why you talk like this now? Wow, love with my grandmother mate. They fuck up. I beg. I need to play with my Inky. I beg. How for you, Inky now?
Nkiru.
To my guy, eh? She the paradise. She the provoke for me. Imagine.
Calm down, boy. With time, she will cool with you.
Hey, might tell you something, oh boy. That Auntie Shine, the woman, eh? She called for it. Before you know, when we go.
Oh boy, take
9-5. Come on, now man, say you learn now.
Safran, where you go?
Okay, I ain't the now. Come on, go plot it for handball now. No.
Boys don't turn to pinging baba.
Chiso, it's unbelievable. What kind of ungodly insect that will invade somebody's yam bank without sparing even a tuber of yam? I don't think it's ordinary.
My sister, it is not. It's not ordinary at all. Whoever that have done that just want I and my mother to go hungry. The person does not want us happy.
God forbid. Who could have such a wicked mind?
Very, very obvious. You don't know who the person is. It's that stupid, wicked man that calls himself my father.
Chisom.
What? It's true.
I know your father could be mean at times, but not to this extent.
I'm not even sure he's my father. He's very wicked though, and you also have to be very careful with him. My father is evil. He's evil.
Chisom. Remember, he's still your father.
He's not my father.
Hey.
Please tell me another thing that I want to hear.
Anyway, I'm coming. Let me get something for you. Oh, sir, I know you would like it. Good.
Just someone. Mama, God has made on us. Hey, come to Omalicham. Come to how? See money. Where did you get this money from?
Mama, it's my friend Neka.
Neka, your friend?
Yes.
How did she come about this money?
Neka said she has been saving money. So she decided to give me the money so that I'll give it to you and so you can start up a business with it.
It's you. Hey! Chimo!
God will bless her.
Amen.
Onye kamboze n'ụwa abụmonye Chineke na-echere m echiche ọma.
See, your mother is laughing.
Yes, I know. Mama, don't laugh too much. You know, this man don't like us to laugh. See, I've been saving some money, so I want to give it to you so that I can add it up to this one. And
Wait, Chisom, let me understand. This thing is too fast. You mean you, Chisom, was also saving money for me?
Yes.
For your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
That's in a save ego. Oh, Omalicham. It's one. Oh. My God will bless you.
Amen.
God will bless both of you. You know you are my pride. Oh, mom. Thank you. Onem. Thank you. Onem. Hi. If not this man, I would have loved to jump and dance. I know.
What about our village boys? Madam Shine don't shine up all of them, yo. Our village boys don't turn to pinging bobo. Ah, Njoko. Most of our boys don't join in Madam Shine. They shine up everywhere. Ah, Njoko.
Jude.
Why are you hiding from me?
No, I was not hiding. I was using myself.
You were hiding. I saw you hiding.
No, why would I be hiding under this?
Now tell me, why are you avoiding me? Why?
I was not avoiding you, Auntie. How can I?
You've been avoiding me, Jude.
No, Auntie.
You've been avoiding me. No, so what happened? Why didn't I see you last week and you made me believe you were going to come back?
Auntie, I was busy out home. That's why I didn't come.
You were busy. Auntie Shine asked you to come and you say you were busy. Busy doing what? So where are you going to now?
I want to go and see my friend to see if he'll lend me some money for something very important.
You want to go and borrow money?
Yes, ma'am.
Jude, why? What happened to all the money I gave to you the other time?
Auntie, I use it for something, I use it for something very important, Auntie. I use it. What are you going to give me?
You're not asking me, am I going to give you? What do you take me for? You think I plugged money or what?
No, Auntie.
Come to the house. Make sure you come this time. Okay?
Okay, Auntie.
If you want to push up your Madam Shine, Madam Shine hard. Madam Shine, she too sharp, she go give you. Madam Shine, she's a troublesome woman, yo go. Madam Shine, sharp. Madam Shine, imakwangwanyi bonyo biama. Madam Shine, imakwangwanyi bukwe de something numongwo.
Bia? Jude, didn't you see me?
Auntie Shasha, what is it? What is Auntie Shasha? What is it?
So both of you can't even say good afternoon to me.
Afternoon to who? Tonye? By the way, what is good about the afternoon?
I just don't want to believe it's me you are talking to. I take that as an insult. And Auntie Shine deserves an apology now.
Apology me? Huh? Apology my foot.
Auntie Shine, listen, whatever they call her name, leave us alone in this village, Auntie Shine. Leave us alone. Leave us alone, Auntie Shine. Leave us alone.
Leave you alone, meaning what? What are you saying?
He said you should leave the young boys in this village alone. We don't want you anymore. Just pack your way and shift.
I don't want to believe you're talking to Auntie Shine. I just don't want to believe that. Is there anything wrong with you? Are you mad? Dude, are you mad?
Auntie Shine, you're not mad. You should leave us alone. You can go.
Are you guys mad?
Oh, so you don't know, we now know that you need a young blood to replace your Barojo in you. See, all your plans, all has failed. You have failed before and you will fail again. Leave.
Are you talking to me?
Auntie Shine, leave.
What? What did you say?
Auntie Shine, leave.
I called a public toilet.
Excuse me?
Keziah.
Are you talking to me?
Nkesi.
Are you mad?
You go pack your way. Go.
I'm looking at Agua. Auntie Sunshine. Are you talking to me?
Madam Sunshine, no dear mercy for call you. She dey drink 1 crate, extra 2 crates. She dey join the Munkwabi. Madam Sunshine, which one you dey? Imakwa wanyi na tazi faluo, wanyi na tefe, wanyi na sazi felego. Madam Shine. If you want to push up your Madam Shine, Oburuni choro begoru, Madam Shine, Oburuni chori begoru no ne noje, Madam Shine, Madam Shine, Madam Shine, she too sharp, she go give you, Madam Shine, she's a troublesome woman, yoko, Madam Shine, sharp. Madam Shine, Imakwanyi bonyo biama o. Madam Shine, Imakwana wanyi bukwede something numongo. Madam Shine, Imanona kuze ya kamilio. Madam Shine. If your money no finish, chief, your money no try finish, yo. Chief, oh, you no go rest, yo. Shine no go leave you alone, yo. She must suck you dry. I'm more trouble. I said there was about to be said. If I go see Madam Shine, he go the shake. This woman don't come again me to Meru Maru. Yeah. Madam Shine no dey messy if I call you. She dey drink 1 crate, extra 2 crates. She dey join the Munkwabi. Madam Shine, which one you dey? Imakwa wanyi na tazi faluo.
I know my house. I know my house. I know my house. Shine. I know my house. I know my house. I know my house. I know my house. I know my house.
Madam Shine, sharp. Madam Shine, imakwangwanyi kunyobi amao. Madam Shine, imakwangwanyi kukwede something lumongwo.
Mama, so do you think you can do business with that money with you?
I don't think so, my daughter.
Hey, just do anything now, hey, Mama. Anything with the 30,000 naira. Just try and do anything you can.
Just someone.
Mama.
My daughter, yam and plantain business is what I know how to do best. But this new business, I don't even know.
Ma, it's okay. Just try. Try your best. Do anything you can with the 30,000.
I know it's not going to be easy, but I'll do my best. Okay. I'll think over it. You know, God, please, don't worry yourself. You're thinking too much. Stop thinking. It's going to be okay. No, go. It's okay, man. Go and continue with what you are doing. Oh, okay. I'll be alright.
What astonishing beauty.
I'm sorry.
What do you want? Eh? I thought it's only small boys that you want. Please don't disturb me. Don't disturb me.
Chief, I don't have anything to do with those small boys. I don't have anything to do with them, Chief. Please, I'm sorry.
Look, leave me alone, Shine. Leave me alone. Or has he disappointed you?
Chief, I've told you several times that I have nothing to do with them. I was only pulling your legs.
So it was a joke, eh?
It was just a joke, Chief. Come now. Come, let me push up for you. Have you not missed it? See now. I'll push up for you. Chief, have you not missed it?
Shine.
Chief.
Shine.
Even if your money no drive
Shine, baby.
Chief, you no go rest, yo.
Mama, how are you? Mama, where's Papa?
He's inside.
Inside.
I'm okay.
Yes, Papa. Papa, you're welcome.
Oh, you're looking good.
Mama, you're trying, my son.
Well, look here. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Fine.
Let's go inside.
Papa. Hey, you boss. I miss you too. I got something for you. Come on, get inside. Go inside. Papa, we are fine. Papa, we starting yourself.
My shine, baby. You're welcome.
Thank you. How long have you been waiting?
Not too long. I've come to see you.
Let me get a seat.
No, John. I've come to see you. And you know we should have no problems at all. Let us settle.
We are fine.
Shy, baby. I brought some things for you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Thank you. That's so thoughtful of you.
You know you're my shine, baby. You are the shine, the sunshine of my life. You should lack nothing at all.
Come on, Chief. Let's go inside.
All right.
Oh, Chief, Lapumaka. You know I'm just coming back from work.
I know, but what about that?
Go and bring it.
Okay.
Chief.
All right.
Wanyina kazi faluo. Wanyina tefe.
Mama, thank you for this delicious meal. I missed your food so badly.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you very much.
Hope you are okay. Thank God you are home now. At least now that you are around, you will find me a wife.
Mama, not again. Not again. I just ate this delicious food of yours. And you know I just got back from the city. Mama, can we just leave this discussion for some time else?
It's a very important discussion and we need to talk about it now. You're not getting any younger. And we, your parents, we need grandchildren. Remember, you are our only child.
Mama, say, I know, okay? I know you need your grandchildren, okay? And I'll get you grandchildren. But like I said before, I'm still searching. I need the best for us.
How long will you search, Ugum? How long? Your house in the village is almost completed. And you have not brought any woman home to introduce to us. I need my grandchildren.
Yes, so we need to see our grandchildren, my son. That is the joy of old age.
Tell him.
Papa, I'm still searching.
No, say so.
I know you will see one. Eh?
Oh, my Chief.
What took you so long? I've been waiting here for more than 1 hour.
I'm so sorry. Delay at work. I had to get to the house before coming out.
Yes. All right, sit down.
Thank you. Thank you, my Chief.
Is that all?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey,
my Chief.
Now I feel all right. Bianwanya, woman, come. Bring 1 bottle and 1 cup and bushmeat.
Shine. Welcome.
How are you?
And 1 cup and bushmeat.
Okay.
But please make sure it's chilled. I want something cool.
I'm coming. Let me get it.
Chief.
Come if you need it. How was your day?
Oh, Chief. Hectic. Very stressful.
Very,
very hectic.
Don't worry. After this one, We'll go and I will unwind you. I will unstress you, and I will change the day completely. Push up, push up.
Oh, Chief, I'm so tired.
Push up,
I'll do it for
push
you.
up, push up.
Oh, Chief, I love you.
I love you too.
Like I said earlier, teacher, it's not that I'm trying to turn down your request. But I don't think it is wise.
Chief, what is not wise? There is no harm inviting you to my house. My invitation is harmless.
Harmless, of course. You are right. But to me, it is not wise. Just look at it this way. I am a family man. I have a wife. A very lovely wife. And a red cap chief for that matter. What do you think about what people will say? Huh? To crown it all, assuming my wife happens to find out that I came to your house, what will be her feeling?
Who cares what the people will say? Me, Auntie Sunshine, I don't care what the people will say. And who will tell your wife? Me? Auntie Sunshine, will you tell his wife? Oh no, I won't tell your wife. I'm not a talkative. I don't talk anyhow. Even when if a nail. I want you to come.
I am supposed to be proposing to you, but I will not really. Despite all these excuses, I still maintain that I have a faithful wife, a harmless, faithful woman I love. I have no need to look around, not even to shine.
Oh, Chief, come on. What is wrong in eating another soup? You've been eating your wife's soup for a long time. Come, let me prepare you bitter leaf soup. You will eat while I push for you.
Well, Auntie Sunshine, listen to me and listen good. I am not interested. I have a wife who is an expert in cooking all types of soup. She prepares anyone I like, and this is a push-up. It's not actually push-up, it is a death trap. And I wouldn't fall to his caprices.
Chief, you don't know what you're missing now. You don't know what you're missing now.
Please hold your peace.
Okay, Chief.
Bye.
Keep eating your wife's soup until this your head turn to bar head. Come, let me push up for you. Now, if you name
Is anybody in this house? Where no?
Timo. Nice. You're welcome. Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. Sit down. I know you were very tired.
I am fine.
Sit down. Let me get you water.
Please do. Hey! Mama! Such a wonderful woman.
Is there water?
I am done. I am so proud of you.
So, why is the site going?
Oh, it's wonderful. Very fine. But just that the workers are being slow and unnecessarily lazy over their duties. I don't know.
Yeah, why?
The funniest part of it is that they are being paid their normal wages at the end of each day.
Imagine that. Anyway, I know you can handle them.
Leave it to me. I will do that. I am there now.
I'm sure you must be very hungry now.
Oh,
Let me get to your food.
Do that, why, your mom? Hey. Oh. Do it quickly, oh. I can't wait to have it.
Mama. Ma, welcome.
How
was market today? Why is your face like that?
No, nothing.
What happened?
Oh, man. Bad market. Bad market. Yesterday was even better. Today, nobody asked me whether I'm selling or even to say to buy, even want to buy for
Mando, what are the chama?
Oh,
it's well. Let me go and get you food.
Look, I'm not hungry.
Oh, Mama, don't talk like this. Let me get you food now.
I'm not hungry. I don't want to eat because I have a better eat, Jerry.
No, I want to bring food for you.
I want to eat.
Please, are you from this village?
Yes. Why do you ask, sir?
Okay, because I'm from this village. Pardon my manners. My name is Ugo. Yeah, I'm Chief Mezie's son.
Yeah. Okay, I'm Neka, but my best friend calls me Ne.
Your best friend?
Yes.
Talking about your best friend, is she the one I saw both of you together the other day, 2 days ago?
2 days ago? Yes, she's the one.
Okay, so what's her name?
Her name is Chisom.
Chisom. Please, I want to beg you for something.
What?
And I want you to deliver this message to her. Please. On my behalf, just tell her that I like her so much. And I want to see her the next time I come to the village.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you very much, Ine.
No, Neka.
Neka. Alright, thank you very much.
Okay.
And please, give her the message.
No problem.
Right.
Safe trip.
Okay.
Honestly, Chisom, if you see the fire in his eyes when he was asking after you.
Did you see the smoke?
Chisom. I think the guy loves you.
Eh? So, if a man asks after a woman, that means he loves the woman or he likes her. Is that what you're trying to say?
Hi. It's like you are not listening to what I'm saying, Chisom.
No, I'm not listening.
I said, this guy said I should talk to you on his behalf. And that he would like to see you when he comes back from the city.
Really?
Chisom, you should count yourself lucky.
How?
This guy is rich. He smells good.
On your phone, because stew.
Ebiakwa. Be serious for once.
Okay, I'm serious.
I'm serious. Hi! Chineke. What are you doing?
What is it?
Chisomu. Chisomu.
What now?
Chisom. Your father has brought in another woman. What? Inside my house. What? Hey! They've locked me outside here for hours. Listen, only God knows what they're doing.
Open the door! Open the door now!
What they are doing, I don't even know. I can't even imagine it. What did I do to him now? Why would he treat me like this?
After all these years of toiling with him. Okay. After all these years. Okay. And you will just pay me back like this.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay.
So bad,
Don't worry.
So bad,
I'll wait for them here.
So bad,
Mama, don't worry. I'll wait for them here.
It's off Mugom. Why will you treat me like this now? Keep him earlier. Another woman know what they're doing.
So it's you, eh? Rainbow. Rainbow, it's you. Eh? It's you, eh?
Your family is around. I'm sorry, please.
Don't worry. If I have a family, I don't care. Come, let me escort you.
So you show yourself.
Watch your mouth.
What is your business? Yes.
Hey! Hold your daughter. Don't let your daughter attack me. No. If you come, I will show you today. If you come close to me, I will break your wings. Okay, wait. I will break your wings.
Okay. Why you want to hold me? So you think it's that time, that year you used to beat me in primary school, you think you can beat me now? In my father's house. I will kill you with all this rainbow on your face.
Look, are you mad?
No.
Just hold your daughter.
No, leave me.
Are you mad?
Leave me.
Are you mad?
Leave me, I'll kill her. You brought a woman in our house.
And so what?
And so what? Okay, I'll kill her. Leave my daughter alone. So, you don't follow your letter. Just follow your letter. Just stop. Hey! No, let me deal with that. Rubbish woman. What are you doing in our house? With your rainbow face. Leave her. What are you doing? Don't mind her. Don't mind her. Don't mind him. Wicked man. Jezebel, wicked.
You people wait until I come back.
Wicked man.
This is not your house.
What did I do to you that you would
follow like this? Better follow Rainbow to their house. Don't come back here. Follow Rainbow to their house.
I got Bafurugi no Buddha. Chief, our family they see come. Madam shine.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
If you want to push up your
leave me alone, please. Your daughter have the guts to pour her waste product on my face. Eh? Mama, Auntie Shine, how dare she? She have the guts. Lapumaka.
Calm down. Okay, are you sure she was the one? Did you see her?
You're asking me? Oh, you're siding her. You're siding her because she's your daughter.
Okay, calm down. Biko.
Lapumaka metusunam lapum. Lapumaka.
Our family they see kata eh. Now for your hand, every bad thing they come. Your life is too bad. Your life is too strange. Everything you they turn 'em up and down. Your way no they pure. Your way no they pure.
Mama, what is it? What is it now?
I don't know. Something struck my heart.
Sorry.
I'm shocking.
You know if you don't take your drugs, you'll not be fine.
My heart! I can't breathe. The word is open. I can't breathe!
Can't I have rest in this house?
My heart!
No.
Papa, Mama is in pain.
So what? Do I look like a doctor?
I said your wife is in pain.
Look, I don't want to hear any noise again. I want to rest now. Okay? If I hear pain again, then I'll come and
She wants to bring out the other side. Your teacher wants to bring out the other side of me. She will see it today. She will know that I am a no-nonsense somebody. See your body. See your hand. See the whole of your body. She wants to kill you for me. Wants to use cane and finish you. Bia. I thought you said you know the house of the auntie that did this to you.
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama, you are taking me around the whole village. Hey, Mama!
Yes, Mama, I know her house.
Then where is the place now? Where is the house?
That way, Mama. No, this way.
Is it not from this side we are coming from? Is it this way or this way?
This way, Mama.
Bia, gift. Are you sure this is the road to the auntie's house?
Yes, Mama.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama.
Oh, yeah, start going. Because that woman, she will tell somebody. Does she want to kill you for me? Look at what she did to you, my own daughter. Look at, imagine. Oh, God of mercy.
Yes, what is it? Can I help you?
Is she the one?
She is the one.
Hey!
Madam, what is it?
You asking me what is it, Teacher Mama, you asking me? Do you see what you did to my daughter, Did you see what you did to her?
Did you ask your daughter what she did before I flogged her? Did you ask her?
What on earth will a little girl do that will make you flog her mercilessly like this?
I'm her teacher. Apart from teaching them, we also teach them morals.
Then you now want to kill her? You want to kill my daughter for me? Do you know what it takes to give birth to a child?
Shut up!
I should shut up?
Shut up! You don't come here and start running your mouth.
Me? Running my mouth?
Oh yes, you're running your mouth.
Me running my mouth?
You're running your mouth.
You out of your mind? It is you that is running your mouth. Look at your body, very fine. If your own teacher beat you when you were small, will you have skin like this? Look at what you are doing to my daughter. You want to give her mark, Abi? I'm talking, you are drinking. Oh, don't worry now. You will see what will happen. Look at what you did to a little girl like this. Don't worry. God will judge you. Now say, let's go. Beat her next time and you see what I will do to you. I will show you.
If I could see Madam Shine, go the shake. This woman don't come again.
Me, Auntie Shine, you deal with me.
Madam Shine, no dey mess if I call you. She dey drink 1 crate, extra 2 crate.
Now, Auntie Shine, you dey deal with you.
I know, you know remember.
Don't worry. I said, don't worry. Don't worry. Auntie Sasa, you want me to give you Sasa job? You want me to give you Sasa job? You want me to give you Sasa job? You want me to give you Sasa job?